Hi, I'm Dan, and this is your Land Pride Service Minute. Today we're going to discuss why some operators are experiencing premature blade and blade bolt wear on our SC6072 skid cutters. This is because the skid cutter is being operated incorrectly. Allow me to explain. The skid shoe that runs along the side frame of these cutters are straight or parallel with the ground up until about 2 foot from the front of the cutter. Then it begins to taper upward. The reason it was designed that way is to help with turning to limit gouging or digging into the ground. The skid cutter should be operated in one of 3 ways. If cutting grass, weeds, or light brush, operate with the deck rear slightly higher than the deck front. If cutting heavy brush or trees, operate with the deck front even or slightly higher than the deck rear. When cutting on a steep bank, keep the cutter parallel to the bank slope, but never angle the cutter more than 30 degrees down. The reason operators experience premature blade and blade bolt wear is due to the fact they are tilting the front of the cutter downward to an extreme degree where the skid shoe tapers up, which causes the blades and blade bolts to contact the ground. When the cutter is level with the ground, there's an 1.5 inch clearance from the blades to the ground. But when the cutter is tilted down at an extreme rate at the front, this allows the blades to contact the ground, which causes extreme wear and premature failure of the blades. So to get the optimum life out of your blades, be sure to operate the cutter correctly for the material you are cutting. I'm Dan, and this was your Land Pride Service Minute. If you have more questions, contact your local Land Pride dealer or consult your operator's manual. For more videos, please visit landpride.com or like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.